After almost 3 decades of putting family first, the neglected nature of their house finds Kathy and John on opposite sides of a daily debate.
Now that my kids are grown, I am stressed all the time looking at all the work that has to be done.
There are issues in this house. I don't think they're big issues. A lot of it's just cosmetic.
The house being 35 years old, it is so dated.
I love it. It feels homey, warm, a little bit rustic. She doesn't like any of that.
I hate the wood. I've never liked it since we bought this house.
All you have to do is lighten it up and it'll be fine. These are just cosmetic
So what about the
changes.
carpet?
This is easy.
This is the ugliest carpet I've ever seen, but you picked that, so that's not my fault.
Our master bedroom's really small.
The master bedroom isn't as small as you make it out to be.
How many times do you trip walking around that bed?
Never.
Yes, you do.
Never.
The master ensuite is a major issue. It was old and needed to be gutted, so my husband decided he was going to demo it himself.
I can take stuff down. I'm not very good at putting stuff back together.
So it has been 7 months now that we've not been able to use our master bath.
We're currently living upstairs in one of our boys' old rooms. It's smaller than what we're used to. There is no ensuite.
And the bathroom upstairs is tiny with a door that constantly opens into the sink. So every time I try to go in there, my husband has to back out into the hallway. It's a mess.
But once it gets put back together, it's going to be beautiful for you.
Aw, it's small.
The outside is great, the inside is not.
So far. Congratulations.
Double office. A lot of stuff in here.
I think it's quite well organized, actually. It's a tiny, intimate little dining area.
Clearly, they haven't done anything in 27 years.
Well, anyway, let's go. Whoa. It's not that bad.
Oh, come on.
Well-
Hey, nice window. It's got a view of the garage. Please do something about this. This is a ridiculous spot for it.
Why are you so upset about laundry?
Resale.
Well, I don't care about that. Nice big room.
Level it out. Nobody wants a sunken living room anymore.
Nevertheless, nice room. At last. It's nice.
It is nice. I'm not crazy about above-ground pools.
It doesn't matter what you're crazy about. This is what they have.
All right, I'm done with this. Let's go.
Oh.
This is where it begins to fall apart
This
in
is
a big way.
Potentially, it's a wonderful room. Oh my God. Do you know what is depressing? When people have spent so much of their time thinking that they could renovate, and I'm going to come in here and rip it all apart anyway.
Well, I hope so.
This house means a lot, and I guarantee you, there is no interest in moving.
Let's go. Hilary and I have been through your house.
She has a lot to work with, doesn't she?
She has a lot of work to do.
Yes.
And I have to imagine that you want move-in ready, correct?
Yes, absolutely.
What's the must-have list to get you out of this house?
We would like move-in ready, 1 level, open concept main floor, 3 bedroom, 3 bathrooms, including a master bath, secondary rec space, an office, and a comparable yard with a pool.
That's a tall order for a bungalow.
We thought as we get older, 1 level would be better than having to do the stairs.
Okay. I've done an evaluation on your house. Current value is $315,000.
Oh, I thought it would be more.
You have great space in this house to reconfigure and work with. Tell me, what's your list for me?
I want you to finish the master bedroom and the ensuite renovation. We need the living room leveled out. The kitchen has to be expanded and updated. Relocate the laundry space, update the second floor bathroom, update all the upstairs bedrooms, organize and fix up the bonus room, and we need new flooring and trim throughout.
You know, you could have just said, fix the whole house.
I like that.
Just saying. Most importantly, what's my budget?
$115,000.
$115,000 is a huge amount, but I know how far dollars go in the renovation game.
We want to get the house so it'll make Kathy happy. So we need to do what we need to do.
I'm absolutely sure I can give you that, and I'm equally sure you're going to love it.
She's a doubter, but I have confidence in you.
All right.
With his $450,000 house hunting budget already burning a hole in his pocket, David is out the door and on the hunt for the retirement-ready house that could show John what easy living is all about.
Here is the plan. Blow everything out. The laundry room and the powder room doesn't exist anymore. This is now going to be the powder room, and this space is going to be the new laundry area. And then I can get a really nice big island right here. Not only that, we utilize the beauty of that view onto the one thing that she actually loves, which is the garden.
Flooring?
They would like hardwood throughout. It's going to look like a very cool, modern space.
Placing priority on the main floor, hammers swing on the dark and dated kitchen, laundry, and powder room. Elsewhere, the task of leveling the sunken living room floor has already begun, and framing of the new main floor configuration has commenced.
What do you think?
Houses are a little close together.
All the houses look new also. And let me tell you, John, this place comes with a feature that's gonna make you think twice about where you're living.
We'll see.
This house is 3,300 square feet of move-in ready space and features 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, including a master bath. Providing further ease are an open concept kitchen and family room combination, a separate dining room, a bonus room, and an attached 2-car garage, all backing onto a stunning backyard with an in-ground pool.
Come on in.
That's a lot of stairs.
It's not one level, but it's okay.
You've got enough of the living area down here that you won't have to be traipsing up and down those stairs every day. Every inch that you see is done. 0 projects.
It looks good so far.
Does this work for you, John, as a dining area?
A little old-fashioned looking. The style's a little off to me.
A lot larger than what we have.
The ensuite.
It's a good
Really
space.
good space.
It's big enough.
Over here, you have the main floor powder room,
I like
Yeah,
that.
it's adequate.
the laundry area,
It's colorful.
I mean, it's okay.
and you have access to your 2-car garage from here.
They made a mudroom into a laundry room.
Yes, they did.
See, that's okay, because our house is going to be all fixed up on a big lot.
Really? It's gonna have a pool like that? Is she doing the pool too?
Maybe
I
not like
wish.
that.
Uh-huh. Look, I'm gonna do the best I can.
Hilary's team presses on by giving the newly established kitchen, powder room, and laundry a serious upgrade in both plumbing and electrical. David's looking for a little redemption of his own.
It's not a ranch.
Ranches are very hard to find right now, so we may have to give up on that idea.
It's nice.
I think you guys are gonna love it.
Though it's not a single-level home, this 3,300 square foot house is retirement ready and features 3 bedrooms, including a main floor master, and 4 bathrooms. Relieving the daily headaches are an open concept main floor, an office, a bonus room, a 2-car garage, and a screened-in porch backing onto a yard with the all-important pool.
How does it feel for 2 people who kind of have a differing opinion on style?
This is gorgeous.
This is pretty inviting, I have to admit.
The formal dining room area.
It's larger than what we have.
It seems short, but you can make it work.
I like the size of this.
Open to your eat-in kitchen, family room, living room.
I could live with a kitchen like this.
Really nicely done.
All right, we got more to see, but I'm excited that you guys are excited. The mudroom, which gives you access to the 2-car garage. The master bedroom.
It could be bigger.
But the most important things, obviously, are behind this door. The master bath.
Wow. I love the size of the tub.
A separate toilet. Then you've got the linen closet.
Okay.
But I've given Hilary a blank canvas to create something wonderful.
You have no idea what that's gonna look like. To the pool.
Where's the backyard? There is no grass. The whole thing is cement.
I mean, you've got a lot of space over there, which you could turn into grass if you wanted to.
There's no private feeling with 6 windows overlooking our pool. You hit a home run with the house.
But
The backyard.
is too small.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$485.
525,000.
This house is listed at $490,000.
Kathy thinks that David's gonna find her what she's looking for, but it doesn't exist.
The ranch. These are not easy to find, just by the way. The gym.
Having a designated gym is
Awesome.
a nice feature. If it had a door and a view, quite a steep driveway.
You excited to see any house with me? This could be used as storage.
I wish it had a window.
This is your punishment room.
I love this neighborhood.
It's like home.
And look at this house.
Brand spanking new.
So no work to be done.
At 3,600 square feet, this move-in ready house is more than big enough to hold its many stunning features, including 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Furthering the sense of easy living are an open concept entertainment ready main floor, an attached 2-car garage, and a stunning screened-in porch backing onto a gorgeous pool-ready yard.
Ah,
It's open.
love the
Pretty.
ceilings in here.
I love the connection between all the rooms.
I do too.
And I think that's pretty much what you've been asking me for this whole
Absolutely.
time. Over here, you have the dining room.
A lot larger than what we have.
It's a good start.
The main space, where you've got the beautiful family eat-in kitchen area.
It's not huge, but it's a nice space.
I love the connection to the outdoors. The screened-in porch.
Nice.
Beautiful view of the woods.
And the space for a pool. The property goes beyond the trees. So if you have to take a few out to give you more space, you can do that.
There's plenty of room out here to put in a pool.
Yes.
What do you think this house is listed at?
425.
$435,000.
This house is listed at $439,000.
Below budget.
You negotiate that down a bit, and there you have your wiggle room to start working on the pool.
This house has everything we were looking for and then some.
With that beautiful house still fresh in their minds, Kathy and John head home to finally take in their own place now that Hilary's extensive renovations are finally complete.
Hello.
How you guys feeling?
Excited.
Here we go. Come on in.
Ooh.
Ta-da! The minute you walk in the door, already we're seeing major changes.
Whole new look.
Oh my gosh.
I would have never imagined.
Oh my gosh, Hilary,
Wow.
it's gorgeous.
The ceiling, repaired and smoothed out. All the bedrooms have been painted now and have new carpeting. It's just one of the most beautiful rooms in your house. And look how much extra living space you just got.
Yeah.
So I think we spent your money quite well, don't you?
Looks very well spent to me.
Nice job.
So, come on in.
Ooh.
Wow.
I like it a lot.
It's now a nice, modernized dining area.
Looks like a whole different room.
Okay, so let's keep going. Now we're moving into the old area that has been rethought. Go ahead and open this door.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's great.
Is that nice? You can have the washer and dryer running while you're watching television.
That's awesome. Thank
That
you.
is gonna work so well.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a nice half bath.
Yeah.
The wainscoting is a way of giving it interest, and it's very elegant.
It's really,
It
really
seems
nice.
so much bigger.
Now, come into your brand new kitchen.
Wow.
No way.
Here's the kitchen with everything that you ever dreamed of in it.
Oh my gosh, I am in.
Awesome.
That beautiful window seat. You can sit there in the morning and look out to your beautiful pool.
This is beyond what I could have ever hoped for.
Your old living room no longer had to step down to break ankles.
Wow.
Absolutely beautiful.
We've made it so different that it really does have nothing much to do with what you had before.
It's a completely whole new feel. Wow.
It's all sophisticated and sleek and very calming.
It really is spectacular. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
A true sanctuary. You can be lying in your tub, no one can see you, but you can put your head back and look out and see the greenery.
That makes so much difference.
Now, in this area where your little tub used to be squished, take a look.
Wow.
This is great.
This will
Very,
work
very
so
nice.
well for us.
That is now the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
Wow.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $315,000. With an increased renovation budget of $120,000, the new estimated value of their home is $465,000. That increases the value of their house by $150,000.
That makes retirement sound really good.
Yes, it does.
You guys chat about it, and you let us know when you've made your decision. So, decision made?
Decision made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to love it.
Love it.
This house has been transformed.
Done a beautiful job, and I just could never have imagined that our house could have been turned into this.
She absolutely did a great
She
job.
really did.
I'm
No
so
doubt, no
pleased.
doubt.
All right.
Let's go.
So happy.
Bye. Thank you.